Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'll do review on this Nakto folding ox bike. Fat tires, great ride with a beautiful design, and handlebar. It's not as basic handlebar, it's more like BMX or cruiser bar. As you could see, it's a little bit different. Bike comes with beautiful wheels which has a beautiful accent. This whole design is to make this wheel a little bit lighter. Nakto company tried to make the best budget bike on the market, and it comes with a foldable pedals which is easy to fold. It comes with foldable frame with a very unique locking mechanism over here, and I'll post a link in description how to open up. And it comes with a 6-speed. It comes with 500-watt motor. Comes with a nice saddle. It's not just basic seat, it's very comfortable, nice saddle, and with a big battery. It'll give you about 15 to 25 miles range on average, depending how you use the pedal assist. It comes with 5 pedal assist mode and very comfortable grip. As you can see, the handlebar, it's not the basic one, it's more like BMX or cruiser, so your hands is very comfortable sitting on this handlebar. And it does come with a horn. It does have a nice handlebar and grip, which you can remove this cap and attach the mirror if you want to. As I said before, 6-gear shifting by Shimano. Mechanic brakes, which is just basic one, 160 millimeters, which is okay for this type of bicycle to ride in a city. If you're planning to ride off-road, it's probably not the best brake. The fork, it's not the best, it's just basic city fork. I would say I would not recommend to go off-road on this fork because it's just basic. The travel, I think only like 1 inch probably, but again, it's a budget foldable fat tire bike, which are good quality made, very strong and beautiful. You will get a lot of compliments riding this bicycle. So let's go for a ride. And due to the design of this bicycle, you will sit more upright position, which makes you riding the bicycle more comfortable, relaxed, almost like Harley Davidson. This bike comes with a suspension fork, which is a basic steel fork, spring fork, no adjustment, no locking. It's okay for city. Also, in order to ride this bicycle, your key have to be always in the battery, so it gives you another security level, so nobody can start your bicycle without key. The Shimano Tourney shifter make it very easy and comfortable to shift while you're riding the bicycle with your thumb. It's in good reach. Switching the pedal assist is pretty easy as well, as it's located right on the display and it's in reach with your thumbs. You can simply just press up or down button and switch your pedal assist level. It comes with a 160mm mechanical disc brakes by Zoom, which does pretty well as a braking in a city. Again, it's easy to maintain mechanical brakes versus to hydraulic brakes, so if you're picking the easy maintenance bike, this is a perfect bike would be for you, and it's a lot of fun to ride this bicycle. This bicycle actually pretty quick. It can go up to 25 miles per hour based on your weight and again the terrain. So I believe I reached up to 22 miles before when I did the testing. You can check the link in description for the unboxing video where I also run the test on this bicycle, but I think it's more than enough, the speed. Alright, so we came to this point where is a very high hill, and I want to test it to see if this bicycle Nakto folding ox can make it up to the top on throttle only. This bike comes with a thumb throttle, which is very helpful, but it's only 500 power bike, and I weight about 210 or even a little bit more maybe. So let's see how it can handle it. Only throttle only, and as you can see, it's pretty steep hill. I think it will make it to the half most likely. Because it's very steep, and I was able to make it on top only on the 1000 watt motor. Right now I'm only going like 6 miles per hour, and let's see if it can actually make it, because it's a very steep hill. It's going about 5 miles an hour, still going. Police pursuing me. Now it's 4 miles an hour, still going, and my battery was about less than 50%, so it may be also affecting, but so far it's still going. Now 3 miles an hour, but it's very high steep, and let's see if it will make it all the way to the top. I don't think it will, because it's 500 watt motor, and so far that's it. It's almost made it to the top. As you can see, it's very high steep hill, and I know you might think, oh, it's not that steep because it doesn't look like, because the GoPro might not to give you this type of image, but it is very steep hill, and it's made it, but not all the way to the up. And going downhill, it's of course it's much easier. And also I am trying right now riding without battery, I mean without motor. I turn off completely the bike and just riding as a regular bike. I raise a little bit seat so it will be more comfortable to pedal it, and it's really good actually. It's about 10 miles an hour I think. Good workout, pleasant, so you don't really have to use a motor when you want to work out or get some exercise. It's pretty good. And you can probably hear still the same noise of the tires, which I love. I like the noise coming from the fat tires. It gives you like good feelings, and the motor actually itself very quiet. And riding this bicycle, it gave me a little bit different experience versus riding other bicycle I rode before, and I rode many bicycles so far. This is very comfortable, fun, and bring a lot of attention because of the design, comfortable position you will have. So I recommend, if you want to get nice city bicycle which you can also fold it, it would be a great bicycle. I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.